at this.
Do you know Gio?
Anywhere you want, you can.
Very dear friend.
And then also, what else? What book?
It's such a bizarre fucking comment.
I like that there's real candles. That's literally like, I want my house to feel like this. I want my...
Look at this handwriting.
You can train yourself. Write a love letter. Henry Miller postcard. And then I have this other postcard. It says, can you read it? Can you see it?
Strangers the World Unite.
Yes, Vincent van Gogh.
Did I
And Joyce Hall.
I have Big Sur and Friends coloring book,
Nice.
The Far Side, and The Cat Who Taught Zen.
Yes. Yeah, you're not supposed to be all the way down.
Wow, that's so gorgeous. Rise and shine, campers. It's another day. What duck? Oh, it's like a different type of bird.
Wow, it looks so green on here. Yeah. Yeah.
I like the moss. I really like the moss, actually.
Say hello to the video.
Is it fish?
Let me know if you see. No, it's like an algae or something.
An algae? What do you mean?
Like a barnacle.
A barnacle? This is crazy.
Annie's there, and then they're doing some shit over there. She's too close.
I planked.
Joyce planked.
We're currently at Big Sur. We're in the river, pretty cold, but you know, you live once, so take the plunge.
This is my spot. It's all mine. It's where I go to read, listen to compose music. I like the way you say things.
Mimi, I'm Montauk, bitch. Wrong movie.
It touched you? Look at those colors, god damn it. Point Lobos. Currently walking on Cypress Grove. This tree only grows naturally in 2 places in the world, Pebble Beach and Point Lobos, where we are now.
Cormorants.
Brands cormorants.
It's
Just learn about this. You should learn something new every day.
That's this guy right here.
Yeah, show that.
Here he is.
There we go, very nice.
Here's him up close. Boom.
What are not barnacles?
See these red flowers?
I like seagulls.
They look like barnacles, you know?
Oh, yeah.
What about those guys down there? You hear them?
Do you think? Oh! We just met Reginald, who is one of the volunteers at Point Lobos. He was born in Singapore and moved to Australia. Grew up in England. Met his wife at a Greek island. What was the Greek island?
I don't remember.
It was the one where human civilization started, I think. They're in love. They've been together 50 years. He really sold us on Australia, so I'd like to live in Australia at some point. He used to be a journalist, lived in Philly for a while, and I told him that, wow, look at this tree. I think those are the type of clothes. This tree is pretty cool too. This tree is haunting. So shout out to Reg and his wife Priscilla. He told me to stay curious. You know, big world out there. You ever find yourself at a state or national park, you know, approach the volunteers and ask them for their spiel and or their lore. not just where their accent is from. I speak from first-hand experience. Shout out to Reg and Priscilla. She's playing tennis right now.
She's playing tennis in the great tennis court in the skies.
She's not playing tennis in the sky. Oh, there's cool spider webs too. These bees. Whoa! Isn't there's animals? There has to be animals, right? Focus on the ladybug. There you go. What's it doing here? They're all just chilling, man. Look, this one's coming up. Look, he gave up. People are like that sometimes. And then he wiggled his way in. Look at that one. He's really sunbathing. That's the male. It's kind of like Happy Feet. Whoa! What a nice try. Get a video right
Yeah. This is insane.